Hi friends, today we are going to see how to decorate a simple blouse back neck. We have stitched the coat piping of contrast color and self bow is given, on which I am adding here wooden button. You can see how nicely it look when we add the wooden button to this bow. Now I am going to add one tassel of cloth with beads. With simple touch of button and beads, you can see how nicely it look and it add the beauty in the blouse. If you like this pattern, like us, share it with your friend, and if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.